Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the wiring loom from the rear bumper. This is once you remove the rear bumper, how to remove the wiring loom of the parking sensors for the Audi A6, S6 or RS6. This is the C5 platform, so let's take a look at what's involved. So first of all, as you follow the lead that comes from the car down into the loom here, you'll see they put a kind of a cable tie on there. So just to gain a bit more access, I'm just very carefully going to cut that cable tie like so. Next we're going to go along these one by one. They've got the standard Audi type connectors. I'll flip this over in a minute to show you. Basically the easiest way is to put a flathead screwdriver in, give it a twist, hopefully you'll get a nice click like we did on that one, and I'll just show you this quickly. So here you've got, obviously this was on the underside so I couldn't show it to you before. What we're going to do is get a little screwdriver in there and just open that up like so. Hopefully you guys can see that kind of flexing on the top there. So that's kind of what you need to do, like so. And if the clip's still quite clean, hasn't got too much kind of dirt or gunk in it, when you do that you get a nice click, and that's perfect. So if you get that click, you know that's going to pull off really easily. If there's a lot of dirt in there, sometimes you won't get the click, and so you actually have to physically hold that open whilst pulling off at the same time. But that's how these types of plugs work. So let's move along. So next, as we follow this cable along, we've got a couple of cable ties before we hit the next plug. Be very careful, so you don't want to pierce the outer sleeve of the cable. Like so. So that's the next two, and then we should have access to the next electrical connection there, so we can move on to that now. So exactly the same type of connector here. Remove that one like so, and then just work your way down the rest of the bumper. As you can see, we've got a couple more cable tie clips, actually 4 more in there, and then the next plug, and then there'll be a couple more, and then the final plug. So that's literally all you need to do, is just keep removing these plugs. There's 4 of these obviously as you go along. Just very carefully remove each of the cable ties and get all 4 of these plugs removed, and that will be the loom removed.